Hi everyone, welcome to West Lake, the most famous lake in China. You can't visit China without seeing this place. Yeah, it gets super busy with millions of visitors every year. But today, we're escaping the crowds. I'm taking you on a peaceful boat ride, the kind only locals know about. We began at Taizuwan Park, just a short walk to the boat dock. My daughter and I chose a charming hand-rowed boat, 300 RMB for a private 2-hour tour. It can fit up to 6, so you can share the cost with your friends.
We're so excited because we are in West Lake.
You know what people say in Hangzhou? A sunny West Lake is lovely, but a drizzling one is pure magic. And we were lucky, a soft rain fell, making the whole scene calm and refreshing. First stop, the 3 pools mirroring the moon. Yep, it's the real-life view from the 1 yuan renminbi bill. These graceful stone pagodas once measured water levels. Now they are one of Hangzhou's most iconic sights. Then we glided under a low-arched bridge. Only small boats like ours can fit. And there are not a lot of tourists around this area.
我们也排队过桥喽，你看桥上还有人看我们呢。哇，我们要过这个桥喽。
Beyond it, the Westlake State Guest House came into view. It's super fancy and elegant, over 3,000 a night. Our boatman whispered that Chairman Mao always stayed in a room with white curtains. What a sight that must be. Now we're entering Turtle Bay. Everything turns lush and serene. It's like stepping into a hidden world. We brought bread to feed the ducks and the water birds. Even the famous Westlake silverfish joined the feast.
好多小鱼啊！妈呀，太可爱了！都在这儿，都在这儿。你看，
最后一口了，谁不拿？哦，他命里抢了个大。
太好玩了。
Now we passed the Yuqian Temple and an old stone monument, places rich with history, away from the crowds.
他害怕，好不好呀
？And look, those little cuties swimming by. They are not ducks, they are moorhens.
咱们是宝宝鸭子是吗？宝宝鸭子吃肉吗？
They glided over lily pads like they are walking on water.
好可爱。
这是小鸡，
这是什么东西啊？
黑水鸡，那是它妈妈。
哦，
那你喂它，它也会吃的。它带着一个小宝宝。
来来来，
长大之后，它喂它的小宝宝吃。
哇，它真的好可爱哦！
有那么多泡泡。对啊，给你有泡泡了。
Up ahead lies the beautiful Jihong Bridge, a dreamlike spot where couples take wedding photos in traditional dresses. It's photogenic no matter the weather, rain or shine. It feels like in the painting.
扔远一点。
哦。
再扔再扔。
丢到船的旁边，船那个船帮那里。
哦，他吃了，为什么一个就走了啊？
他害怕呗，他想先喂那小宝宝。
小鸭在吃呢，给你。不还有
夜路。
At one point, a brave little duck even hopped onto our paddle to rest. The harmony here is just amazing. Soon we drifted into the wider lake. On the right sits Hu Panju, a lovely restaurant perfect for enjoying local dishes with a lakeside view. I must visit this place next time. And just like that, our 2-hour journey has coming to an end. We return to shore feeling completely refreshed.
我们停船了，我们要上岸啦。
If you come to Westlake, try this route. I promise it will show you a quieter, deeper side of this magical place. You're gonna fall in love with it for sure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.